Power BI homepage is located at app.powerbi.com. After you log in with your account, the homepage will show you your favorites and frequently accessed reports, along with various links from the Power BI community and other getting started tips from Microsoft. In our case, we're going to come down here to My Workspace, where at the end of our previous Power BI desktop video, we published our sales report. After you publish a report, if it's a new data set, you'll have the report and the corresponding data set related to that. In our case here, we're going to open up the sales report that we just saw before. And we'll see here the format is the same as we saw on the desktop. One of the first things we're going to do here is we can subscribe to this. So if this was set to a recurring schedule with the data being refreshed regularly, we could receive an email whenever we want to receive this report. That email will have a link to the report as well as some other options we can configure. That email will show up like this. In our case, we'll have an external email warning as well as the image of the report, an image attached to the report, and we can even have a link to go to the report itself. And you can manage your subscriptions as well. Another thing mentioned previously that we can do here is we can edit this report. So while most of the report building functionality is through the Windows desktop application, there are some features you can do from the web Power BI service. If you notice, the layout here looks very similar to the desktop application, minus most of the banner-related buttons. So if we needed to come in here and rename a title or change any configuration on here, we can redo that here and either save it to the same report or save as like you would do in a normal Windows application. And now this report has been saved. Lastly, mentioned in our introduction to this video, we can also have dashboards, which are only on the Power BI service. So as we hover our mouse over different pieces here, we'll see different little buttons pop up in the corner. So here, we're hovering over the total sale amount, and we can click this button here to say Pin Visual, and it'll show us this little tile of what the visualization looks like. We can create a new dashboard with just that tile on it. You have some modifications you can do to that dashboard here. But if we go back to our workspace, we'll now see we have a new item under here called Exec Dashboard, a dashboard type. We can click on that. That has that one tile on there. And you can add tiles from different reports into here. You can reconfigure the format. You can have different options to format for your mobile devices. You can move it around. And if you click on that, it'll bring you to the report that one tile was for. It's a great way to have one central location for all of the important metrics for someone to see, and then if they need to, they can drill down into the individual reports. That was a quick overview of the Power BI service. Add edit reports, subscribe, and create dashboards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to be notified of future Power BI videos, please subscribe to our channel. And feel free to reach out to us at info@netwoven.com if you have any questions.